coffee blending, and the smell is beautiful and the taste as well. Let's go. So we got these radios just as I wanted to get it the last time at the Automotive show, but this time I got it. This one will be for the Citroen Saxo and the UMM, the 4x4, but they only had one of these, so I ordered another one. It will be interesting. It has like a pop-up monitor, and then it just hides in, so it's pretty cool. See, so quite anxious to try this one out. He said it will fit the cars, anything I can just talk to them. And then I got for the VW Caddy that has problems. I mean, I think almost everyone had already problems with the radios. So also got a radio, comes with all the cables, this one as well. Also comes with everything, and pretty cool upgrade. I mean, it's very nice. Also comes with all the cables, and the radio looks like let me see if they have a photo here. What it looks like. See what it looks like. So it's gonna be, so that one's like the original one. It's got a CD, the original one, and the other one will be it doesn't show, so this will be a surprise. Because I don't want to be taking all this out now. I'm going to leave it for the other video, the next video. It's very similar, but it's an upgrade because it's got extra ports of USB here and here, charging ports and everything, because on our Caddy it's so down below that it's a big headache to charge the phone and everything, you know, or switch it into Android Auto. This one's easy for Android Auto. Okay, you don't need the plug, the cable, and this one you also don't need the cable. So I'll show you guys all in detail everything. All right, okie dokie. So finally got the Citroen Saxo back. Let me just show you what was done. So first, we got some new brake discs. Okay, let me open up the door to see better lighting. Okay, now we can see it better. And yes, new brake discs. Okay, so the brakes, also brake pads, because that's a bit new brake discs. And the gearbox is fixed, everyone. No more oil leaks. Those belong to the past. So let's see what they did. Okay, that hurt my knee. And kabawa, check that out. So they insulated the exhaust, okay, the head exhaust, so that it will not dissipate heat onto the plastics, the alternator and everything else. And they also redone the whole blocker over here, redone all the gearbox in terms of gaskets and everything else that it needed. So yes, looking much better. Check that out. What a beautiful job. Good work. Enjoying this mechanic very much. Looks like just beautiful. So I don't have anything else to do on this car. It's all good to go wherever I want it to go, you know. So very happy that all the problems are fixed, and just ride it, you know, like I own it, which I do. So just going to step on it. Paint is actually not bad. You can't say it has bad paint jobs, these cars. If you don't leave them in the sun, I don't think you have a problem with them. So yes, we were missing this little dude, and it's going to be so much fun to just ride it again. Really got even the kids chairs to go out and have some fun will be great. So this car project is done for now. I might change the rims. I'm thinking of changing the rims, you know. I think it would be nice. And what else? And that's it. That's it. So the 4x4, I also don't have to do anything on it. All I have to do is work on the Raptor, because I did say that I was going to put the ladders of the Raptor, remember? Also working on another machine, so we're installing all modern components, you know, computer and everything else. So working on this, which is quite a lot, and it does take time to make videos. So here's the stairs for the Raptor, and I already got the aluminium plate right here that I have to use it so that I can attach the stairs. There you go, hard aluminium, as you can see by the noise, like a bale, because of the magnesium hardens it up, so it doesn't have to be that thick to put on the trunk. Like that is not too heavy. What else? Chickens are almost hatching, and yes, everything is going beautifully. Thank you, Lord Jesus, for everything. So also got some feedback on the garden. We got some stuff already planted. Let's go check it out. So we planted more strawberries, which I can already collect. Check it out. 1, 2, 3. Those I'll leave for tomorrow. 4. Another one for tomorrow. Wow, they're just picking up. Check it out. Look how beautiful. Yes, strawberries are growing very well. Excellent. Also planted more here, but this I tried a different type of strawberry, which is not giving big strawberries, smaller strawberries. So we'll have to see what's going on this one. We'll leave it and see. It's all tangly. I think it's the smaller species of strawberries. We'll just replant bigger ones. And here we got already bigger ones, you see. There you go. See? That's a nice big one. So yes, so here, that's it. Oh, we already got our blackberries also starting to grow. Check it out, almost there. Just needs a little bit more time, and this will be packed with blackberries. It does grow like as it's like wild, like a weed. Has no thorns. Very thick stems, but it gives it loads of berries. I mean, look at this. All this will be berries. It's going to be fantastic. It's going to be amazing. Got another one right there. It grew on its own on that side. Don't ask me how. And those are catching up, but those take time. Grapes. This is a small tree that we planted, and it's already growing. I'm going to buy more from this garden place. I like the trees a lot. There's actually a little trick that you do when you plant the trees, which will give it like a big big like strengthened spike, you know, just to make it grow faster. And I'll show you guys, because I'm going to buy more, and then I'll show you what we put. And yes, here we go, everyone. Check it out. We have our melons and watermelons, green melons and watermelons, and this branch is broken. Do not know why. You know, sometimes animals maybe go by. Have to see about that. Okay, but it's all good. It's all good. Check out this watermelon. Pow! Now let's see if this year we get watermelons and melons. Let's see if this is going to be the year, everyone. They are quite big. Much bigger than the last ones that we had. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it's three watermelons and 2 green melons. So we'll have to find out. But that's a watermelon. That was quite big already. It's got like 5 centimeters. It's like what, 2 inches? Very nice. Garden's all cut. The rooster is beautiful, and the hens as well. How are you doing? How are you doing, my beauties? Very good. Babies are coming soon. You'll have lots of little chicks to play with, okay? Soon. Just another 8 days. 8 days. And we have born chicks. Everything's cut. Garden looks beautiful. Now I just have to... I'm doing our own compost this time in larger scale. So all this we're just going to pack it up in a mount and just make compost. See, everything's being cut and scraped, and then we're just packing up all the compost. You see there? So I'm just using a like old big black plastic sheet, and so I watered it. I bought a special like decomposition accelerator, okay, so that it makes it faster. Watered it, and now with the heat that's coming these days, which is like almost 40 degrees, it's going to really just go down and crush it into compost. So yes, let the bacteria do their things. That's why you have to water it. If you don't water it, then there won't be bacteria to just like decompose the whole thing, you know, all that material. Have this box also full, and right down there we have a big mount we're also doing, just like this one. We also put plastic, and we'll have compost so that we can cultivate more here, which I think will be cool to share with you guys. We left our wood here for all the big giant beetles that are going to be arriving soon. Normally they always arrive once the plums start to give, when they get matured, all red. That's when they arrive. It's the smell of the plums just attract them, I think. But also it's just that stage of the year, and because they always return to this place, they just keep on breeding here. So this is the spot right here. The green on the trees is like a treatment that I'm doing from the branches, so that it doesn't get termites and other bugs just to destroy the trees, you know, because that's what happened with the woodpecker. He destroyed a lot of trees at the back there. And our Christmas tree right down there is growing quite well. Okay, he's already much bigger. Yes, it's looking beautiful right down there. Then I'll show you guys. But it's surviving well. Also got our banana tree. I put this tire because it's creating like a greenhouse, okay, and protecting it from the wind, because this was starting to die and now it's thriving again. So that was a good idea. And that's the updates. Let's check there. This one's also going well, that we planted last year. Looks like these are going to give this year. Let's see. It will be beautiful. I love this fruit. Let's see. I just don't know what these white spots are. Not liking that. So we'll have to stay. Okay, we'll have to keep an eye on that. I don't know what that is. And here we planted more tomatoes. Okay. More cabbages. And that's a pumpkin. Someone bought a pumpkin. So we'll have pumpkins. We also got no, those are beans. I need to get like passion fruits. I think the passion fruit is down there, but I'll have to confirm. I don't think we have passion fruit. No, I have to buy. And our raspberries, blueberries, and we also had blackberry. Yes, we had 3. These are also giving well. This one's giving well, the blueberry, the raspberry, and I don't think this is the blackberry. I think the blackberry went kaput. And I'm just gonna have to plant a new one. Yes, more tomatoes and parsley. So we're just getting back, and lettuce. Yes, so the ground is fertile, healthy, and the plants are doing well. That's about the updates, and now we've got to go to new projects, and I have to make start thinking what am I going to do next, because I have to work on the Raptor, and I have to fix the window of the Mazda RX-8. I think that will be cool, and install the new radios for the Saxo and the Caddy, and the Citroen Saxo will also be, I'm going to already order the same one for the 4x4, so that will be interesting. And the rest is surprise, so that you guys keep on looking, okay? So with this, see you all on the next one, and I'm out.